Nice one.
This is one-on-one barbing salon, yeah, and it's a hairstylist where we cut hair, just barbing. Females as well, just barbing actually, not plating. So not like just like that. This is my work, like this is where I work. So I'm literally a barber, yeah, for about 3 years now. Yeah, but I'm saying when I started learning, it's been about 6 or 5 years ago. Actually, it's majorly generator. Oh, about that, I would say in some ways it does affect, yeah, because you might be working now and then suddenly the gen goes off and probably it's the floor that finishes or something would have to like go there for, and there might be customers sitting and waiting for their turn to cut their hair, and they might not be patient enough to like wait for it to get full. So in that aspect, you are kind of losing customers because some of them they might not be patient to wait. They might just say they'll come back later and you'll not see them again. Probably they might come next time or some other time, I don't know. But for that moment, they might just say they're coming back and then you've lost them for that moment. You've lost the money you're supposed to take from at least on four on a daily basis. Like you get about 5,000 naira fuel and it lasts at least for 2 days. You get. So if we are to be calculating it, how much it is in a month, should be about 80 something thousand or almost 100K if I'm not mistaken. Shouldn't be at least like 20K monthly or something like that. So on a norm, we're supposed to be like buying for 80K over 80K every month or even more than, depends. But yeah, instead of now buying those stuff like that, those fuel and everything, we are no longer buying it. So it's saving us that money. At least it's going for something else, something more important there. It's working perfect for like it's benefiting everybody in the sense that we don't need to like worrying about before going like finishing or something like that. They are not budging and we are not bothered about anything like maybe before going off or the gen having issues or something like that.
Okay.
Just work with full confidence and everything. Yeah, I would recommend it as because it saves a lot.
Okay.
That's my own idea. So cloud energy keeps energizing my business here. You're doing well.